Billionaire's daily schedule includes exercise, family time, and lots of travel. Between running Facebook and raising 2 young daughters, Mark Zuckerberg has a lot on his plate. While the tech CEO dedicates many hours to work, he still makes the time to exercise, travel extensively, and be with his family, he said in past interviews. Zuckerberg stays productive and balanced by eliminating non-essential choices from his life and setting ambitious goals for himself. After waking up at 8 a.m., the Facebook founder immediately checks Facebook, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp on his phone before he even puts on his contacts, he told Jerry Seinfeld in a Facebook Live Q&A. The social media session typically only lasts a few minutes but can take longer depending on current events, Zuckerberg said. Once he's gotten his morning updates, it's time to work out. I try to go for a run or work out, that's a good way to start the day, Zuckerberg said. He typically exercises about 3 times a week. Sometimes he brings his Hungarian sheepdog, Beast, along. The tech CEO says running with his pet has the added bonus of being hilarious because it's basically like seeing a mop run. Once he's gotten his exercise in, Zuckerberg's not too picky about what he eats for breakfast. He'll usually just dig into whatever he's feeling that day. He doesn't like to waste time on small decisions. That's also why he wears the same thing almost every day. Zuckerberg's work uniform consists of jeans, sneakers, and a gray t-shirt. Zuckerberg puts in 50 to 60 hours a week at Facebook, but he thinks about the social media platform constantly. When he's not working, Zuckerberg spends some time expanding his mind, that is reading books as well as learning new skills. He reads a new book every fortnight. Zuckerberg's daily schedule tends to vary more when he travels. Whether he's traveling or working, Zuckerberg makes sure to spend time with his wife, Priscilla Chan, and his daughters, Max and August. Every night before going to bed, the Facebook CEO tucks his children in with a traditional Jewish prayer, the Mi Shabirak. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to SINCY Solutions.